What's up, squad? It's your boy Daddy Seed. Just popping in here today. Just wanted to give a quick update. Guys, if it's your first time here, do me a quick favor though. Hit that notification bell so you can stay on top of our latest drops when we drop videos. And also tap in on IG at Real Daddy Seed. Just wanted to touch base real quick today for the Toro Bravo Air Jordan 6 that's dropping this morning at 10 a.m. If you see right here, got our hands on a very petite pair of the Air Jordan 6. Early pair of these. Actually, Nordstrom, a good friend of mine, guy that's part of the squad, my guy Wes, shout out to Wes. He was able to pick up a pair of these grade school Jordan 6s from Nordstrom. They dropped the grade school some reason early last week, like a week prior to the actual regular drop. So today they're dropping in full family sizing at 10 a.m. on sneakers for $200. And, just wanted to make sure we give a quick look before that happens. So you can see the materials on this beautiful, red Air Jordan 6. All red. It's actually a pass for me, though, in men's sizing, just because I don't do red like that. Just the full, just one basic color. And I like Jordan 6s a lot. They're one of my favorite silhouettes. If you see here, I have the Air Jordan 6 Georgetown. But again, that all gray. Gray, for some reason, just speaks to me differently than all bright red. That's one. And then also we've got these classics here. So red in the carmine, classic carmine, but also that white and black to break up the color. Just kind of does it for me. But I'm not going to take away from the Toro Bravo. I know a lot of people like these, in line with the Toro Bravo 5s. And the Raging Bull 5s, Raging Bull 5s, the Toro Bravo 4s. If this is your bag, man, go get it. I think they're going to be widely available. I know Finish Line, JD did an early access a couple of days ago. So those pairs will be ready for pickup. I guess they're already doing that now, if not this Saturday. But yeah, so these actually were due to release in June. Got pushed back actually got pushed up, which we typically don't see from Jordan Brand. So, if this is in your wantings, get out there, get after it this morning. 10 a.m. on sneakers. I'm sure, again, they'll be widely available. I don't think you have a problem picking these up. But just wanted to give a quick look. And again, this little baby shoe, it's a cute shoe. And it's still, done to spec, the same as the bigger sizes. Just kind of looks a little strange in this little tiny foot size. But, you'd be the freshest kid on the playground if you had these. Or at the daycare. Because this is, I think, 3C, or let me see, what is this? 3.5? This is a 3.5Y. So you see that comes in like the little kitty box, right? Versus the big Air Jordan 6 box that we normally get. But anyway, that's it, man. Just wanted to give a quick update, quick shout out to you guys. Good luck this morning, getting your W's. Let me know down in the comments, is it a pass for you or a cop? You excited for these to get in your collection?